Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select security, and here you will notice fingerprint. Smoothly marker. Here you can choose some backup to your fingerprint. It can be fingerprint, it can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Smoothly enter it right here, click on next and then re-enter just to confirm. And now manage your notification content. I would like to hide it all. And now it's time to enter your fingerprint. As you can see, your fingerprint sensor is over here, so all you have to do is to grab your phone to your hand and place your fingerprint on the sensor till it's fully added. Here you can observe the progress. And that's it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. So from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, or obviously you can use this backup pattern, pin code or the password, whichever you set. So that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.